BHS is a 42-year-old organization, started in 1979. We're the leading industry manufacturer for powered battery handling equipment. We design battery rooms for industrial lift truck application and distribution centers. Our primary demographic is Fortune 500 companies that have distribution centers across the United States and globally. The primary concern going into a battery room is twofold. One, it's a high traffic area for industrial lift trucks and powered equipment, so the epoxy floor needs to be able to withstand that heavy repeated traffic within that room. The battery extractor itself has a defined travel path. That has to have a very specific flatness and levelness. The unique thing working with Stonhard is they allow time during the mortar base application, both before and after the application in the mortar base, to allow for grinding and profiling to ensure flatness and levelness. Secondly, the sulfuric acid contained within those batteries, if there's any spillage that gets on the floor, we need to make sure that that floor is protected. When we utilize the roll-on epoxy, that it just didn't have the robustness that we needed to withstand that high traffic, heavy usage area. We aligned with Stonhard specifically to work with them on their mortar base application that gave us a finished product nearly 1/4 inch thick that was much more robust and really withstand the test of time over that high traffic utilization. They're a turnkey organization. We're able to go to one company, Stonhard, that provides the product for the epoxy floor. They've got the distribution network across the country to be able to install it, and work in logistically coordinating the install with BHS to ensure the customer has a flat level application for the epoxy install in a timely fashion.
Our group is really here to provide that coordination piece and effort so that we're able to connect the local sites to Stonhard anywhere in the world.
The way they take care of not only us as a customer, but the end user as a customer, they're second to none when it comes to customer support, and we truly appreciate all the effort they put in. Cheers to Stonhard.